Are you ready to see the best flexi-rod set on wet hair I've ever done using these products? Yes, these products I've already used before separately, but I'm about to use them together to create some curls. And of course, I'll be using flexi rods. Stay tuned. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and we're starting in slow motion because I need to make sure, if you haven't already subscribed, you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment at the end. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. So I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking on this video. I have done a flexi rod set before, and I have used the products I've used on this video before. We're starting off with the Soultanicals Frizz Whizz Curl Defining Leave-In. So what I want to do here is just go ahead and begin sealing in the moisture that I have left in my hair into the hair. And my hair was already detangled, but I want to go ahead and just distribute that product as evenly as possible. So I went in with my wide tooth comb. Okay, so that side looks good. I'm going to go in on the other side doing the same thing. I'm not using much leave-in, but I'm using enough. And as you can see, yes, you saw that. Yes. Before you know it, your girl will be starting her lock journey. Let me know in the comments if anyone's interested on that. Don't worry, the styles will keep coming. They'll just be coming on locked hair at some point, probably before I turn 50. So hopefully you stay with me throughout that. So anyway, let me go ahead and continue on getting this into my hair. And then what I'm going to do here is begin sectioning off my hair. And for each flexi rod that I use, I am going to use 2 to 3 pumps of Lottabody coconut and shea oils wrap me foaming mousse. Now, if you know anything about Lottabody, you know these are the OG of G's when it comes to mousse. Okay, if you want your curls done right, Lottabody got you, and they have had you for many years. So now going in with my variety of sizes of flexi rods. This is something I got from Amazon. I love the little pack it comes in. Matter of fact, everything I'm using here is from Amazon except for the Soultanicals Frizz Whizz. So everything you'll be able to find in my Amazon storefront, and I'll go ahead and be nice and go ahead and put each individual link in the description box, so you have no excuse but to try these products yourself or to re-up on these products if you would like. Okay, so as you can see, I started off with a 2-strand twist. I wanted to start off this way because when I take these flexi rods out, I want to already have a head start on breaking them down. Okay, so I'm going in with this chunky blue flexi rod. Later on in the video, you'll see I switched that out because I didn't really want to start off with them being that big. Either way, when wrapping my hair around these curl rods, the curls are about to look about the same. Okay, and as you can see, I did bend it into a horseshoe shape, but then had to loosen it up a little bit because look, I'm already about edgeless as it is. I'm not trying to lose anymore. Okay, so section off my hair, and then just go ahead and rub that or comb that wide tooth comb through. 2 pumps of the Lottabody foaming mousse, and as you can see on this one, I used 3, and then comb that through a little bit more. Two-strand twists, I do about 4 to 5 twists, and then for the flexi rod, And as you can see, I will curl or begin rolling it regular for about 2 to 3 times, and then I'll begin like twisting it onto the flexi rod. And y'all, I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you, roses. I did ask in one of my YouTube shorts if you guys want to see me do a curl rod set or flexi rod set, and I was basically advised you guys would like to see a flexi rod set, so this is why I'm doing this. Yeah, you thought I forgot? I did not forget. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do more. In a moment, you're gonna see my youngest son, you know, do what kids do. See what mama doing. And I have to run him off real quick. But anyway, let's go ahead and watch. I'm not gonna talk much through this. Oh, and if you see the curtain behind me moving, I do have the fan on. This day, actually, the fan and the air conditioner. Was a pretty hot day, and as you can see, I almost forgot. Look, didn't I tell y'all I'm starting off with a 2-strand twist? Yes. You'll see towards the end how starting this way really helped with the takedown process. So anyway, let's watch. Didn't I tell you I was about to get an interruption? Yes, my son is talking to me right now, and I'm trying to let him know I am filming. I am filming. You haven't wanted to talk this whole time, but suddenly you want to come see what mama doing. Grab a flexi rod. And I'm like, for real? Yeah, I thought I was getting somewhere. Then he wanted to ask me for something, but then you know I had to be like, do what I asked you to do before you ask me anything. Moving on. But anyway, parents, you know what I'm talking about. If any of you guys are parents, let me know down below in the comments. And moving on. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this, and then I'll come back in a little bit after I get more into the groove of doing this. Okay, as you can see, I have them all in. I did use 4 different sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, 4 or 5 different sizes. It didn't matter to me. I hope this comes out okay. We will see. Oh, before I stop, let me go ahead and add in some of Annabelle's Perfect Blend hair and body oil. This is a must-have. She has so many different scents. But I need to put something on my scalp. I didn't want to start acting up or anything like that. And it just feels good to, you know, rub some oil on that scalp. And don't you like my nails? Yes, I did go ahead and cut down my last nails, did a polish change, and I'm drinking my coffee with my reminder. I hope you read it. If you didn't, rewind and read it. Okay, so here it is the next day. I did let this air dry, but I did do some thermal heat for about 20 minutes to give it a little bit of a head start. But the rest of the way, all air dry. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. That looks decent. That looks decent. I'm impressed. All those products played very well together. And I had already heard that the Soultanicals Frizz Whizz Curl Defining Leave-In plays well with a variety of products, not just by Soultanicals itself. So another reason to go get this. Last I checked on the website, this was in low stock, and that is going to Soultanicals site directly, because I'm sure this is a pretty popular product. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and take these down, and then you'll see once I have all of the flexi rods out how I split the 2-strand twist that I started off with and how much easier it made it to break down my hair. Once that is done, I go ahead and break those sections off one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet. Let's listen to some music real quick. Do not leave me yet. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and watch. Once you subscribe, don't subscribe and just leave me hanging. Make sure you come back and actually watch. Okay, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share this with someone, because I personally think this is the best flexi rod set on wet hair I have ever done. And honestly, this may be the last flexi rod set that I do on loose natural hair. So go ahead and share that. I don't know, I might switch that up because I'm not 50 yet, but y'all, these loose hair days are numbered. Then we'll be doing hairstyles on locked hair. And if you haven't already heard, I have been locked before. I've been a locked natural before. Both my kids are locked, and the way my hands be feeling, I need to cut down on some of the stuff I do on my hair. And the plan was already to go to being locked anyway, because I can't have my older son beat me out. His locks are very, very long, and mama's supposed to have the longest. But whatever, you guys are here for the curls right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet for a little bit, and then I'll be back. I am so impressed. Good old Lottabody works every single time. Soultanicals, Frizz, Whizz, curl defining leave-in, one of my most favorite leave-ins of all time, and of course my beloved Annabelle's Perfect Blend hair and body oil, and we cannot forget the star of the show, which was the flexi-rods. Oh, by the way, this is the lip color I'm wearing today. This is from Sephora, the Sephora brand, and the color is Rock Purple. Okay, so what do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? It's cute, right? Yes. Oh, and you see my t-shirt? OlenaRosanne. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later, roses.